I'm gonna show you how to get your Firebase API key. So to get started, you have to go to your firebase.com, and then from there you just have to select the project that you wanted to get the API key, or you can just create a Firebase project. So for me, I'm just gonna click on the sample finance Firebase AI app, and then from there it will now shown as the app here, and then from the left side, upper left side corner, you will see the project overview, and then just click on the gear icon and then go to project settings. And then from there, all you have to do is just scroll down, go to the bottom web app right here, and then from there you will just see the API key right here. You just have to find the word API key, and beside it is your API key, and then from here you just highlight this one, the API key right here. So your API key will be this one. So that's how to get your API key on Firebase.